Principal ma'am, junior wing head, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I, Utkarsh and I, Shanvi, stand before you on behalf of Class 3C. The topic of today's assembly is cleanliness, Swachhta. Let's start our day by remembering God. Let's join our hands, close our eyes for the morning prayer. For news, I would like to call my friends on the stage so that they can enlighten us with the current happenings. Microscope for kids to expand their interest. Microscope designed specially for young explorers that will not only magnify tiny specimens but also the vast range of imagination. These microscopes for kids encourage them to observe and explore the wonders of nature and also spark their passion for STEM projects.
Emissions rate dropped by 33% in 14 years, officials report. This drop is faster than expected and is down to a rise in renewable energy generation and forest cover according to two officials as per the latest assessment made for submission to the United Nations.
The maximum weather report. The maximum temperature of today is 33 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Weather will be mostly humid followed by sun and some clouds. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Pranjita for the thought of the day.
The objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel happiness in the environment. I repeat, the objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel happiness living with the environment. Thank you. Thank you, Pranjita. Now I would like to call Samarthan on the stage so that he can enlighten us with the topic of today's assembly, cleanliness, Swachhta.
Good morning everyone. The goal of cleanliness
is to ensure that there is no dust, dirt, or bad smell. Sanitation and cleanliness are important in our daily routine. It provides dangerous diseases like dengue, typhoid. Everyone must keep themselves and their surroundings clean. It slows down the occurrence of diseases.
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a cleanliness campaign started by the Indian government. It was launched on October 2nd, 2014 on Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. The main goal to this campaign is to make India clean and healthy. People are encouraged to keep their homes, schools and streets clean. Under this campaign, new toilets are being built in rural areas.
Waste management systems are being improved to reduce pollution. Everyone should participate in this campaign to keep our country clean. Planting more trees and reducing plastic waste helps in Swachh Bharat mission. Children can join in by cleaning their surroundings and spreading awareness.
Thank you.
I appreciate you for sharing fantastic information. Friends, Samir will present a poem with us.
Keep environment clean and green. That's what all they say. Some clean and some plant trees, but what difference does it make? Like drops of water makes the sea. Small efforts make a big deal. Making it together, we go further. That's how we make a difference. Thank you.
I would like to share a video with us.
Every evening, Viraj and his friends play in the park. They carry toys, papers and snacks to the park. Some kids throw papers, broken toys and food wrapper on the ground and go back home. Every night the cleaner comes and cleans the park. When children come to play the next day, the park is once again clean. One day when Viraj arrived at the park, he found his friend standing outside the park. What happened? Why is everyone outside? He asked. The park is so messy. How can we play here? Said one of his friends. Oh my God, it's smelly. Yucks, said a girl in their group. Let's go and call the cleaner uncle. He will clean it, said Viraj, and all kids went to look for the cleaner uncle. He wasn't there at his usual place, so children went to the watchman and asked, Where is cleaner uncle? He has gone to his village for a few days, said the watchman. Sad, the children returned to their homes. When Viraj's mother saw him returning early, she asked, What happened, beta? How come you are back so soon? Mom, the park is dirty. There are wrappers, food, papers, toys littered on the ground. And they smell bad. How can we play? He said, taking a seat. Why? Was it not clean last night? She asked. The cleaner uncle has gone to his village, so the park is so dirty. Viraj said. But why don't you kids throw the trash in the dustbin? His mother asked. Mom, it's the cleaner uncle's work. He should pick them up and throw them in the dustbin. He has gone to village and now no one is there to clean the mess. Now we can't play, said Viraj, getting upset on the cleaner. Beta, this is not good. If someone is taking care of the society, doesn't mean you have the freedom to create a mess. You should also take responsibility and keep the park clean. Just like you keep your house clean. It's your responsibility to keep your surrounding clean. If If you would have put the trash in the dustbin yesterday, then today you would have found it clean and enjoyed playing in the park. Viraj realized his mistake and nodded. Mom, I promise we will keep the park clean from now on and throw waste in the dustbin. Viraj's mom smiled. The next day when Viraj reached the park, he saw it was clean again. He told to his friend that from now on they should throw the trash in the dustbin so that the park doesn't get dirty. Moral of the story: kids, it is very important to maintain cleanliness. Not only cleanliness makes us healthy, but also gives others a healthy and beautiful environment.
To call my friends to share some facts about cleanliness and hygiene.
Four types of germs: virus, bacteria, fungus, and alga. Every 30 minutes this happens. On average, you come into contact with 8,40,000 germs.
Wear clean clothes. Clothes collect dirt and germs. The longer we wear them while doing different activities, this means we are at risk of getting these germs into our body if we do not change clothes.
Hair also needs to be washed regularly. This way, it will look shiny and stay healthy.
Brush your teeth twice a day. Teeth are important organ of body that which we will not be able to eat food and enjoy hundred of tasty things.
Trim your nails and keep them clean. Long nails collect dirt and are perfect place for germs to hide it. Trimming nails is necessary to kill those germs. 1. Also, you must take care that nails stay clean most of the time. Saliva and earwax contains a chemical that can kill 95% of germs.
Wash your hands for 2 minutes before eating to kill all the unwanted germs.
Wash your hands for 20 seconds each time. Proper hand washing is one of the most effective methods of getting rid of harmful germs and bacteria.
Using groundwater to wash and clean help to kill more bacteria. Some plastic like the plastic in the Lego is made from a material that comes from a fungus.
Clean your desks. The average work desk is actually 400 times dirtier than the average toilet seat. No one likes smelly feet, but bacteria love smelly and sweaty toes and feet. So keep your toes and feet dry and clean.
Some more tips to boost your personal hygiene and kill germs and maintain a healthy body. Do not share hairbrushes or toothbrushes with anyone. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. Keep your room clean. Use tissue paper products only once. Flush the toilet after using it. Thank you.
The Cleanliness Pledge. I request everyone to stand up and repeat after me. I pledge to observe cleanliness and take responsibility for taking care of our environment.
Right, slowly, small, say, I take responsibility, and we'll repeat small words.
I pledge to observe cleanliness and take responsibility for taking care of our environment. I will make my home, school and surroundings cleaner and cleaner. I pledge to protect my environment at any cost and will encourage others to do so. I am confident that every
without saying, you know what is the theme of the assembly today? And I think a lot has been told and we all have understood because it's been put in a very simple way. So just that every time what I say, what we listen, we know the information, but now we have to bring it in practice. So let's follow cleanliness, and like we learnt in that small video, it's not for other people to keep places clean for us. It is our responsibility to keep our surroundings clean. If in the first place we don't dirty our surroundings, then what will happen? If I throw my paper in the garbage bin and if I don't mess up my class, then my class will be clean. But if I feel wherever I am sitting like a pig, if I throw everything, and then we keep waiting that someone else will come and clean it, which is not right. So we have to keep our environment clean, and also we've taken a pledge today that we will encourage others also to keep the surroundings clean. They should also understand. So first of all, you do what is your part, and then we can also ask. Otherwise, if you tell others don't throw, they will say you also threw it. So first we will do something, others will watch us, and then if others are doing the wrong things, we can encourage them that if we do our responsibility, there is no need for so many people to be coming and doing all these things. In the first place, we'll have a cleaner area only. Isn't it? Yes. So today we'll just wind up quickly because
Excuse me, ma'am. We also don't need to disturb the cleaners to clean our messy things.
obviously, like if I have made the place dirty or I have put certain things, it's my duty to take away those trash. It's not the duty of others. They are helping us, that's okay. But we cannot take it for granted that they are going to do it for us. So let's take more responsibility. Let's become responsible people. Last.
We should not throw garbage.
Yes, that we all know, but we still continue to do so. But I believe after this, when we've heard that so many germs can be attacking us, let's at least try to keep the area around us clean. So let's clap for class 3C because they got very short time, they couldn't practice much, but still they have put up a wonderful assembly. So wonderful children, and hope you will also stay by your, so you can be the messengers of Swachhta. Okay? Thank you.
Practical students whose birthday falls between 25th September to 2nd October.
My birthday falls in 25 September.
My birthday falls on 1 or 2.
Rise for the national anthem.